and welcome. The political temperature ahead of the 2027 general elections is rising once again. And this time, the spotlight is on the judiciary. Has Nigeria's opposition become a target? Why is one of the country's major opposition parties dragging the chief judge of the Federal High Court to court? And what does this fresh legal battle mean for the future of the 2027 elections? The African Democratic Congress, ADC, has launched a dramatic legal challenge that is already generating intense debate across Nigeria's political landscape. The party has filed a suit before a high court in Abuja involving the chief judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Shoho, over concerns connecting to an ongoing leadership dispute within the party. The National Judiciary Council, popularly known as the NJC, has also been joined in the suit. At the center of the controversy is a leadership dispute involving former Senate President David Mark, who currently occupies a prominent position within the ADC. According to the court documents, the legal action was initiated by the National Welfare Secretary of the ADC, Nkemakulam Ukandu. The suit seeks to address concerns surrounding the handling of an earlier case challenging the leadership of David Mark within the party. The development marks another significant chapter in what is becoming an increasingly complex internal battle within the ADC as political parties continue preparations for the 2027 elections. But why is this case attracting so much attention? According to the ADC official behind the lawsuit, concerns have emerged regarding the management of the case and the judicial processes surrounding it. The lawsuit specifically raised questions about the assignment of the matter to Justice Peter Lifo, who was designated to hear the case challenging the party's leadership. Party members involved in the dispute believe that the process surrounding the assignment of the case has generated uncertainty and concerns about whether all parties will receive a fair hearing. These concerns have prompted fresh legal action, placing both Chief Judge and the National Judicial Council at the center of a growing controversy. As political observers continue to monitor the situation, many are asking whether this dispute is simply an internal party disagreement or whether it reflects broader tensions within Nigeria's political system. The controversy did not stop there. A group known as Grassroots Mobilization Network, GMN, has also entered the debate, raising serious concerns about the handling of the matter. The group alleged that the judiciary was being used to target opposition political parties. That allegation has quickly attracted public attention because it touches on one of the most sensitive issues in any democracy: public confidence in the independence of the judiciary. The group argued that transparency and fairness are essential in politically sensitive cases, especially as the country moves closer to another major election cycle. At the same time, it is important to note that this remains allegations. As of the time of this report was filed, neither the Federal High Court nor Justice Peter Lifo had issued an official response to the claims being made. Similarly, the National Judicial Council had not publicly responded to the issue raised in the lawsuit. The silence from the situations involved had only fueled further speculation and intensified public interest in the case. For many political observers, the situation raises larger questions about trust in democratic institutions. Can opposition parties remain confident that politically sensitive disputes will be handled impartially? Will this legal battle deepen existing divisions within the ADC? And could this case become one of the defining legal and political stories on the road to 2027? The answers may not emerge immediately, but one thing is already clear. This lawsuit has placed the judiciary, the ADC leadership crisis, and the broader political environment under intense national scrutiny. As the legal process unfolds, Nigerians will be watching closely to see how the courts handle the matter and whether the concerns being raised by the party will receive a formal response. With political alliances shifting, internal party disputes intensifying, and preparations for the 2027 elections gathering momentum, this latest courtroom battle could have implications far beyond the ADC itself. For the judiciary, the case represents another opportunity to demonstrate independence, to show fairness and transparency. For the ADC, it is a test of unity and internal stability. And for Nigerians, it is yet another reminder that the journey to 2027 is becoming increasingly competitive, controversial, and unpredictable. The coming days and weeks may reveal whether this legal confrontation fades away or develops into a major political showdown that reshapes conversations ahead of the next general election. What do you think about this development? Do you believe the judiciary is treating all political parties fairly, or do opposition parties have genuine reasons for concern? Share your opinion in the comment section below. We would like to hear your thoughts on this important issue as Nigeria moves closer to the 2027 elections. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to First Next News, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest political updates, breaking news, and in-depth analysis. Which side of this debate do you support? Let us know in the comment section. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching.